Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to share with you how to go about creating your own custom color palette within Procreate. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. I do have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Should you find my videos helpful and enjoy my channel, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. When it comes to creating our own custom color palettes within Procreate, the process is actually streamlined and very simple. One thing that I want to point out before we continue is that this method can be used with just about any color palette that we visually see anywhere we're at. Let me explain on that. So if you were out and about and you see for example, a wall that has a whole bunch of different colors that you love, you could literally take a picture of it with your phone, and then we can withdraw the colors from that image to create a color palette. And I'm going to show you how to do that here. If you see flowers when you're out and about, you can go ahead and take a picture of those flowers and withdraw those colors to create a color palette. So you get the idea. You have access to infinite colors. You could just gather pictures and then withdraw the color data, so that way you're creating color palettes that you can use within Procreate. When we are in Procreate, your color option should be up here. Now it may not be the same color. This is the last color that I was using, so yours could be yellow, black. You get the idea. You're going to want to click on the color circle up here, which is going to bring up different envelopes here and parameters that we can access for coloring. You can see down here that we have disc, classic, harmony, value, and palettes. Right now, the only tab that we're going to be working with is palettes. Within the palettes tab right here, we do have two different view modes. We have compact and cards. This is the card view and this is the compact view. Me personally, for this demonstration, I'm going to stick with the compact view. I like the compact view because I can see everything right here. Within here, you have a little plus that you can go ahead and create new palettes. It lets you see right here, you can go ahead and create a new palette and kind of dial in the colors on your own. That's one way to go about it. You can see that you can load it from your camera, which means you can actually take a picture with your iPad, bring it right in. You can load it from a file or load it from your camera roll. These are the options that we have. We can go about adding our palettes however we want. You can simply load it from your photos, from a file. You can take the picture right from your device, or you can create your palette manually. So those are some of the options right there. For me personally, I'm going to go about it by bringing up my photo app over here on the side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colors from this image right here. I'm going to select this image, and you can see I have the image selected, or the portion that I want. And what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to drag it in like so. I'm going to drop it. And you're going to notice that Procreate created a palette for me using the colors within this artwork right here. And then from here, what you can do is you can simply title it Joker Palette, or you can just do Joker Colors. Whatever you want to title it, you can give it your title. And then there we have my new color palette. We can do this with just about pretty much any image. Some images are going to offer more colors than others, you get the idea, but we can do it with essentially any image that we like from the internet or that we take with our phone. You can see I'm doing the same thing with this one, and it's creating a palette for me right there based around all the colors within this artwork right here. Let's say, for example, you weren't really happy with a specific color palette that you created. What you can do is select those three dots. You can share, you can duplicate, or you can simply delete. For example, I'm going to delete that palette, and you can see it's easy to implement a palette, and it's also easy to remove. And then you can begin to use the palette however you see fit. I can select the color, and you can see I have access to the Joker colors here. Different tones of purples, greens, yellows there. Just select whichever one I want, and you can see the colors are ready to go. That right there will be it for this video. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I do have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well, all under Daniel Yuck. If you enjoy my content and find my channel helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. You have a great day.